A great pairing in food is Tabasco and pizza. The two combine so well together. The fat with the cheese and the bread and the dough, and the spiciness and the tanginess of the Tabasco sauce are perfect, a match made in heaven. What I've done here is I've got two different sorts of pizzas. We have a chicken and chipotle pizza, and what I've done is I've actually marinated the chicken pieces in our chipotle pepper sauce. Then all you need to do is place it on the top, and every time you bite into that pizza, you'll get that smoky, rich flavour of the Tabasco chipotle pepper sauce. This one is a bit of a twist on the American classic. It's our good old favourite macaroni cheese, which is on top of a pizza, and what I've done is incorporate Tabasco pepper sauce in with that and then topped it off with bacon. The pairing is absolutely wonderful. It would look absolutely fantastic on your menu.